We have lubricant. Everybody loves lubricant. You love lubricant. Everybody loves lubricant.
MoeTheDriver.
Hey, I want to start off by saying thanks for all the support. I'm almost to 1,400 subs. Almost there. Thanks to all you viewers for hanging in there with me and just getting through this crazy project, man. And, you know, dealing with me not doing crazy stuff with the Hellcat right now because it is winter and that's not, it's not possible. Can't do it. It can't be done. But today, I actually have something a little different. I've been talking to people on the internet, and they've been giving me all kind of advice on the truck and, you know, things that I should do, you know, and that's great. I've been waiting for all that advice. And something that we kind of overlooked was, you know, holding the engine together. If you take 1,000 horsepower and you use the factory studs, you might be asking for problems. So, I went out and, you know, did a little research myself and saw what was out there. And there was several different kinds of bolts, whatever you want to call them, head studs, whatever, to, you know, you can use to hold the engine together a little bit better fasteners. So I decided to go with the ARP fasteners, and I got the 625 Plus. I know that there's also something called the L19, I believe. Not exactly sure, but I believe that's the one that you cannot touch with your bare hands, or something, I don't know, something crazy. Can't touch it with your bare hands or contaminate the metal or something or other. Maybe that's wrong. If I'm wrong, post in the comments. There's something about that metal that that I read about, so I decided to go with the 625 Plus. Standard size, so they're not half inch, but standard size, but they are 625 Plus. Let me show you what those look like. All right. So, first open it, and first thing we see is the fastener lubricant, fastener assembly lubricant. Seems to be something that comes with this ARP kit. Part number 100-9908 for anybody that wants that. Looks like there's 5 ounces. It's has a very long paragraph about why you should use this, but I'm not gonna go ahead, and I'm sure that's on their website somewhere. You can find that. What else do we have? The box and nothing else. All right, so here we have the ARP bolts and studs, it says, but check it out. On the side it says Toyota 2JZ GTE CA 625 HSK. I'm assuming HSK stands for Head Stud Kit. So this is the 2JZ Head Stud Kit in 625 Plus. Do we open this thingamabobber? It's actually taped shut, of course. So, let me grab my trusty scissors here. See if we can get into something. Here we go. All right. Oh, that's cool. We got all kinds of boats and other things on the side. All right. So, looks like regular packaging. Nothing special inside. This box is needed for exchange or warranty. Blah, blah, blah. Don't lose the paper because paper is important. Stickers. 15 horsepower. Everybody knows that. 15 horsepower each. I won't be doing anything with that, but still. Installation for the 625 head stud kit. If you read that. Alright. Torque sequence. Just in case anybody wants to know how to do it themselves. There is a torque sequence there. Nothing on the back. So at least there's that. I'm assuming that there's, yeah, there it is right there. You got 100 foot-pounds, it says. So that's 100 foot-pounds with the lubricant, with the torque fastener assembly lubricant. And here is stud. See if we can get that out. Looks like each one of them comes in a tube. And, well, let me see if I can get something here. Bam. All right. So each one of them comes in its own tube, and basically it looks the same on both sides. Threads. Looks like hex. And then, of course, there's the other side, solid side. But not much to it, man. But apparently these are supposed to be super duper strong. So let's see how many we have here. 14? Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Well, it's an odd number. 14. Yeah. So we got 14 on the diagram. So, well, 14. And of course, it's like nuts and washers. So, nuts and washers with that. I don't know. Bolts, man, not very exciting, but, you know, apparently that's something crucial that you must have if you want to keep your engine together at 1,000+ horsepower. So, we have it. We have it, man. These are head studs. 625 plus ARP. And ready to go. So, I mean, we're getting there. I mean, now we have all the parts that we need, and we have bolts to hold it together. And we have lubricant. Everybody loves lubricant. You love lubricant. Everybody loves lubricant. Anyway, but yeah. So, I mean, we're starting to get it together, man. We have all the parts that we need. We have bolts. There's some other fasteners coming in. There'll be another video coming on that soon. And you know what? Thanks for everybody, you know, subscribing to the channel, viewing it, sharing it. I noticed there's some shares going on. So you guys are, you know, passing the videos around. That's awesome. Really helpful. That lets me know that there's some people actually interested in this stuff, you know, other than, you know, waiting for me to start racing. You guys are actually watching prior to the racing, which makes it a lot better. I just want to keep pushing it to you and, you know, getting it out there so we can learn at the same time. I mean, there's a lot of you guys that know this stuff, but for us that don't know, we're learning together. So it's working. But yeah, man, keep posting in the comments if you guys have other stuff that I need, recommendations. Just go ahead, post it. And we'll research it, look it up, see what we need, and, you know, see if we can get it purchased. Have some more stuff coming, and I'll be making more videos soon. It's just life, man. Life is happening. So 2 videos a week is pushing it a little bit. So we'll get back to it. But yeah, stay tuned, man.